In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find your downloads on your Android phone. So this process is very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. I'm just on the home screen of my phone now, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swipe up from the bottom to the top, and that will take me to where I have the search function at the top. Then in the search function, all I need to type is files, and then you have a couple of options there. You want to tap on my files, and then you get a couple of options at the bottom. The one that we're looking for is the downloads option right there. So you just want to tap on that. That will show you all your downloads, and you can go in there and share these files if you want. Download them to your computer or anything like that. But this is the folder where all your downloads go when you download things from the internet and everything like that. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.